We'll guide you through how to set up and use the mobile hotspot on an Android. If you find this guide useful, then please consider subscribing and liking the video. This is super useful to do as you can go and share your mobile data from your phone to other devices, for example your computer or another phone. So to go and get started, go and open up the settings. So I'll go and drag up like so, and we can go and open up the settings. In your settings, go to the top and you should go and see the option for connections, and you can go and tap there. Then what you need to do is go and find the option mobile hotspot and tethering and go and tap there. Now at the top you'll go and see the option for mobile hotspot. You can go and turn it on, but to go and access more settings you need to go and tap on it like so. You can go and see how much you've gone and shared, if it may be 0, or you may have some already, and you can then go and see some information about your network here you're going to be creating, the name, the password, and the band. So in this case, I'm going to go and switch it on like so. When you do that, you will need to go and turn off your Wi-Fi, as you're going to be using mobile data. So now I can come onto another device. I'll come into my Wi-Fi settings here, and you should go and see the device there. I can then go and tap on it. I've now entered the password and I'll go and click on join and we can go and use it. It's that simple. If you found this useful, then please consider subscribing and liking the video.